So, andito tayo sa Rosewood Point or Rosewood Point in Acacia Estates, Taguig to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, this is the unit. 14th floor, Ivory Building, Rosewood Point, Acacia Estates. 57 square meters, around 4.2 million. Available in cash or 20% down payment and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So 2 bedrooms with balcony. Ayan. Medyo malaki po yung balcony niya. And ang view niya, ayan, city view, facing Taguig. And may Makati rin po. Medyo maulan lang, di natin makita. Ayan. So this is as is where is upon turnover and submission of offers first come first serve basis. If you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. As you can see, medyo maayos pa naman po yung unit. Konting linis lang and minor repairs. But again, we suggest you consult your architect or engineer para ma-assess po yung unit. Bathroom niya very spacious. Ayan. And then yung kitchen area niya, ayan, luwag. Intact pa lahat ng cabinets. So again, if you are interested, please message us directly.